Hello, dear traders.
Hi, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV studio. Today, the recent economic news will be presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
And Екатерина Стихина.
Now you are watching the roundup of the currency and commodity markets for last week.
So what trends were dominating the Forex market before traders left for the weekend?
On Friday, the US dollar weakened against its rivals.
What exactly pushed the US dollar down?
The US dollar lost ground in light of the US non-farm payrolls, which came in worse than expected. However, despite tepid data on the US labor market, the euro closed in the red on Friday. Even the soft NPF report did not help euro bills settle above 1.12. Affected by the news, the euro rose to 1.1252 versus the US dollar and then fell to 1.1150. As a result, the single European currency closed the week flat at 1.1156, which is the same level it opened last Monday. During the week, the euro-dollar pair once dropped 35 pips. Last week, the focal point was the government report on employment in the United States private sector. The number of non-farm employers increased by 151,000 in August, worse than expectations for much stronger growth of 180,000. At the same time, an unemployment rate remained flat at 4.9%. Economists had projected a decline to 4.8%. Besides, average hourly earnings edged up 0.1% in August instead of the expected 0.2% growth. This report of crucial importance dimmed the prospects for a rate hike by the US Federal Reserve in September. The United States dollar fell against the Canadian dollar. The USD card pair declined to 1.2998, the lowest mark since August 25th. The loonie showed zero change for the trading week. However, the US dollar tumbled 102 pips against its Canadian counterpart. That was all about the current tendencies on Forex.
Thank you for the currency review, Ekaterina.
You're welcome, Anne. And one tendencies were prevailed among players in the commodity market.
Gold rose in price, and in the oil market, different trends were observed in the course of the last week. On Friday, the comments of the Russian president saved oil futures from the decline, which had continued over the previous 4 days. However, it did not help crude oil, which demonstrated a decrease on a weekly basis. In London, Brent futures for November delivery rose by 3% to $46.83 per barrel. Please note that on Thursday, prices fell to $45.32, the lowest level since August 11. For the week, Brent futures lost 6.2%. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, prices for WTI crude oil for October delivery traded at $44.44 a barrel, rising by 2.97%. On Thursday, these contracts fell to a 3-week low of $43 after reports on an unexpected increase in stocks of crude oil in the United States. For the week, WTI futures fell by 6.7%. At the same time, the price of gold strengthened on Friday on the poor employment statistics in the U.S. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for December delivery went up by 0.73% to a high of $1,326.70 per troy ounce. The precious metal finished the week with a slight gain of 80 cents.
Anna, thank you for the commodity market review.
You're welcome, Ekaterina.
You've watched the weekly review of the foreign exchange and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
With us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Anna Kasatkina.
Have a great day. Bye.
Goodbye.